Let's dig into how you can have a $100,000 a year business for just $661 in total expenses to get this thing rolling, all right? This is a gutter cleaning business. The average gutter cleaning is only like $200 to $300. So we have to clean a lot of gutters to get there, but really it only breaks down to like 12, 13 jobs per week. An average gutter cleaning only takes about 20 minutes. What on earth are you gonna do with the rest of your time? Hopefully go make more money or be a better parent or a better spouse or whatever it is that is important to you. So let's dig in to what this takes. I wanted something that is actionable, easy. You can literally go get it today. You don't have to order it online and wait 3 days because you know what? Money loves speed, and the faster you go make this stuff happen, the faster you're gonna start making money. All right, so this is all available at Home Depot. There's one of those pretty much everywhere. You can get very similar things at Lowe's. You just might have to dig a little bit, all right? So the very first thing, we are gonna need a ladder, all right? I put on here a Gorilla adjustable ladder, and it's a 6-stepper, so it'll get you up 26 feet in the air. That'll be good for almost all of your initial gutter cleaning jobs. Once you start making some money, you can get yourself a nice adjustable or a nice extension ladder that'll go up 32 feet if you really desire that, all right? So ladder, $240. This is gonna, again, cover most of the gutter cleaning jobs that you will run into, all right? Then we need the ladder stabilizer. Now this actually mounts onto the ladder, and it'll allow you to, put the stabilizer up on the roof instead of leaning your ladder against the gutters, causing damage, all that fun stuff. Instructions are right there in the box. It's really hard to mess it up. But this is only $78 for an entry-level one that's available at most of these stores, all right? Next, you're gonna need a leaf blower, all right? This is an easy way to clean out the gutters. If it's nice dry debris, you just blow it out and then you can clean up the customer's yard. No problem. You don't have to get your hands dirty, any of that. Real simple, easy way. A lot of guys go up there and and it's done in 5 seconds, right? I like going back down and cleaning up the customer's landscaping. I think that's just an added little touch. But anyways, you can get a really, really nice one at Home Depot. It's Ryobi. I'm a big Milwaukee guy, but Milwaukee doesn't have as nice of a blower. Let's just be honest with you. So this is only $330, and you can go pick it up today and have a good leaf blower to help clean out some of these gutter systems. Next, you need a bucket for the days when all the debris is nice and wet and you don't want to just blow it all over the customer's landscaping and leave it, or all over their cement driveways. You'll want a bucket, all right? Bucket is literally just $4 for a nice 5-gallon bucket to scoop some stuff in. Well, Colin, I don't want to put my hands in those gutters. Yep, me either, especially if I lived in like, the southern states where snakes and crap are in these gutters sometimes. Like, I ain't put my bare hands in those things, all right? So you're gonna want some gloves, all right? And the gloves that I like using, they are what, $9? Yeah, $9 here. All right, all in total of $661. Cool, Colin, now I just spent $661. How do I turn this thing into 12 or 13 jobs per week? Let's go down that rabbit trail. First thing, we need to get some jobs. How do we do this? Well, I love posting, all right? This can be done on your Facebook. This can be done on your Instagram, wherever you have local people following and subscribing to you. Post about it regularly. Give them some sort of call to action. Hey, I've got this super special and I want you to be the first to take advantage of it. Blah, 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 whatever, something along those lines. Just post regularly about my new little business, all right? People love supporting the little businesses. As long as you keep it little, everybody's gonna wanna refer people to you. The second you start doing better than them, things will slow up a little bit. But if you keep it little, and hey, yeah, I got this little gutter cleaning business, like, you got any friends or family that I could help out? Yeah, absolutely, man. Boom, I'll go clean their gutters for $200, $300, $400, whatever that number is, all right? So post about it regularly. Second, you can start DMing people on your list, all right? So same people that you're hoping see the post. I don't know if y'all know how social media works, but of your followers or friends or whatever, only like 10% actually see your post. So if we start reaching out to them, telling them about your new little business, The rest will take care of itself, all right? So you can DM. 3, and this was my personal favorite, call all contacts, all right? I don't care if they live in your area, if they don't live in your area, if they used to live in your area, whatever. Call them and say, hey, you got any people in this area that I could help, that you could refer me to? I got this new little business and looking to help and serve as many people as I possibly can. People will start referring you. This is literally how I built my seamless gutter business first, was literally just calling all of my contacts. It can be that simple, all right? And then last one, this one's a little bit harder for some people to do, but those that do it win the absolute biggest. If you can overcome the mental obstacles, you're gonna win really, really, really bigly doing this, all right? So last one, you can knock doors. Oh no, Colin, that's so scary. I'm way above that. Only creepy people knock doors. Only, you know, the bottom of the barrel people knock doors. Nope, I can promise you there's some really, really, really wealthy people out knocking doors. Jeremy Miner, if you've heard of the guy, he made like $2.7 million knocking doors. He made that, not sold $2.7 million. No. His commissions were $2.7 million knocking doors. That's pretty incredible, isn't it? Now, if you get out there, knock doors, you're selling a thing that's only $200. That's gonna take a dude 3-4 hours to do on his Saturday. Hey, if you're out on a Saturday, hey, sir, I see you got the Michigan game on. Like, you know, I'm not trying to interrupt you, but I'm trying to help you keep watching that game. For just $200, I can clean your gutters. I'll get it done right now. You give me $200, you get to keep watching the game and, you know, build up all your hopes until Ohio State crushes them at the end of the season or whatever, right? Get that little, that banter going, right? You just knock doors. It's that simple. Or you get the misses like, hey, ma'am, I noticed that your gutters need to be clean, and I'm sure you've been hounding the mister to get that done for weeks now, and he's got all these other projects, but I can get it done for just $200 right now. I'm in the neighborhood taking care of a bunch of other neighbors of yours. I got everything here. I'll just get it done right now for $200. Sound good? Yeah, $200. Okay, let's go. All right. Some of the door knockers out there, they'll start at $300. I can cut you a deal today for $200. Well, there's all sorts of different ways you can sell. I like giving people a good price up front, rock and roll. Like, it's a super easy, low ticket item. $200 is nothing for a lot of people. You'll walk away with a lot of cash at the end of the day, all right? So those 4 ways will help you easily get to 12 to 13 jobs in a week. I mean, you go out on a Saturday or Sunday and start knocking doors, and you might get 12 or 13 that day, all right? 12 or 13 jobs at $200 to $400 a pop. Holy smokes. Hopefully you can do math. If you can't, maybe business isn't for you. But you figure out that math and like, whoa, this is wild, and the rest takes care of itself. Now, remember, all this, you know, we got 12 to 14 jobs per day, right? And all of this, we started with just $661. Pretty darn simple, right? And you, 12 to 14 jobs a day at, let's just call it 200. I mean, simple math tells you it's $2,400 to $2,800 a day. I don't know about you, but investing $661 one time to get $2,400 to $2,800 back every day seems like a real no-brainer. No S&P 500, no Dow Jones, no nothing like that is gonna give you that type of return, right? Amen? Cool. Hopefully this has inspired some of you. Hopefully some of you take this list and just go buy it. I have no affiliate with any of that stuff. I buy it all Milwaukee, so sorry, but Ryobi is available at Home Depot, ready to go. So no affiliate deals with any of that, make no money from Home Depot, but hopefully some of you go take action on that right now. Like, close up YouTube, say, thank you, Colin, this was the best video ever. I'm going now. Close up YouTube and go to Home Depot, go knock some doors, make some posts, shoot some DMs, call your contacts, and a week from now you come back and like, holy cow, I just made $2,000 in one day. This is insane. I never thought I could do that. Hopefully that happens for many of you on this call. In the meantime, get out there, win bigly so you guys can get bigly. We'll talk to you.